Hi guys, welcome back. So today I finally decided it was time to give my hair the trim that has been needed for a while.
All I see is
My ends were starting to look dry. I had some split ends and there was definitely a lot of heat damage from styling over time. I really didn't want the damage to keep traveling up the hair shaft, so I knew it was better to trim it now. My goal was not to lose length. I really love where my hair length is right now, so I wanted to be very intentional and remove the damaged ends. So I started by sectioning the hair, and as you can see, I bought this stuff to help me, and for some reason I wasn't able to get to cut my hair, and so I decided, you know what, let's try the front part because the back wasn't working at all, and this somehow worked. When trimming my hair, I always prefer to go little by little because you can always cut more, but you can't put it back once it's gone. So I went just little by little. Yeah, as I kept trimming, I could already start to see such a big difference. The ends immediately started looking fuller and healthier. It's crazy how removing just a small amount can completely change the overall look of your hair. One thing I always remind myself is that healthy hair will always look better than damaged length. So I always say healthy hair over length anytime, because sometimes we hold on to length for too long, even when the ends are thin, dry, and breaking. You can probably already see the movement coming back to the hair, and yeah, the ends are sitting better and the shape is already looking much cleaner. I took time going around the whole head because I really wanted everything to be even. Back is always the hardest part to do on yourself, so I had to keep checking carefully. And of course, once the trim was done, I wanted to style it a little, so I cut the ends to create that soft bounce. I love doing this after a trim because it really shows how healthy and fresh the ends look. The curls also help give the hair body and movement. And honestly, this is the part where the whole trim starts to look extra satisfying. Now, let me tell you the part that almost gave me a mini heart attack. Once I was done, I asked my husband to help trim any little pieces I might have missed at the back. When I saw what he cut off, I almost fainted. I was like, wait, all of that? Was that necessary? But he kept telling me it's all even now and looks good, so of course I had to trust him. Thankfully, I checked the final results and he was actually right. The hair looked balanced, healthy, and the shape was so much better. I am honestly so happy I did this because now my hair feels lighter, the ends look thicker, and the bounce is exactly what I wanted. This is also your reminder that trims are not your enemy. Sometimes that little reset is exactly what your hair needs to grow and stay healthy. Let me know if you trim your own hair at home and if you trust your husband with scissors because I'm still recovering from that moment. See you soon. Bye.